Are you thinking about making a move to Greensboro, North Carolina and want to know all there is to know about the neighborhood of the farm at Cedar Hollow? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you could do this, it would be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking you on a little tour, a little adventure of all things Greensboro Triad area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready to go check out the farm at Cedar Hollow? Let's go. We are here today in the neighborhood of the farm at Cedar Hollow. We are in Greensboro, northern Greensboro, if you will. We are in Guilford County, and we are in the zip code of 27455. Now, this neighborhood was established in 2016. There's kind of two sections of it, and part of it, obviously from 2016, and then they are actually currently building and developing in this neighborhood right now. So we are in northern Greensboro. We are off of 150, and we are sandwiched in between 29 and 220. 220 is Battleground. And that's how you get around. You're about 20 minutes to the airport and 24 minutes to downtown Greensboro. So this area, like I said, is a newer development. It is two parts, and it used to be farming area of the Jessups. It was 400 acres and farmland. And it is right next to Jessup Ridge. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. That's neighborhood just right there. These are newer style homes. If you've seen anything I've said before in videos, they're like pointier houses, as my kids would say. Like, why are they so pointy? So they're definitely with the current style of houses that are being built now. Mixed media, you have brick, you have higher end materials on these homes. So there are amenities here. There's a pool and a little clubhouse there, which is nice for this area. There are no sidewalks. I always tell people if there's sidewalks. And with the newer construction community, you do have bigger trees in the background. All these are newer houses, so we're not having huge mature landscaping, but you will if you are patient. So let's talk house pricing. The average house price here is $792,000, but going back a year, it is July of 2026. They have ranged in price from $645,000 to $945,000. So the older neighborhood, you're looking at $500,000 over there. The newer section here, it's going from $8 to almost $1 million. So that's just to give you an idea. The size of the houses range between 2,200 to 4,000 square feet, but the average is around 3,100 square feet. The average price per square foot is $250 a square foot. And these all sit on 3/4 of an acre. There is one in here that's like 1.5 acres, but the rest of them are around 3/4 of an acre. They're typically 3 to 4 beds and 3 to 4 baths, and have 2 to 3 car garages. Now, being that we are out on the county, you will have septic, and that also means that these will have a bonus, may have an extra space in there for you to use as like a home office or a gym or what have you. So when I say it's only 4 bedrooms or 4 to 5, there's definitely other living spaces for you to be utilizing for whatever you need for flex space. There is an HOA. It's $11.55 a year. That does go towards the clubhouse and the pool, and your tax rate here is 0.9%. Let's talk grocery shopping. You are 5 minutes to Lowe's. It's just right around the corner, on the corner of Church and 150. You're about 10 minutes to Summerfield, where there's a Food Lion. You could go into Target on Lawndale, or you've got Harris Teeter and Trader Joe's up on Battleground. So let's talk green spaces. You are 5 minutes from Lake Townsend. You are 5 minutes from Haw River State Park. You are 9 minutes to Lake Branch. You're 14 to Burr Mill. You're 14 to Lake Higgins. If you wanted to go to the Science Center and Country Park, that's 16 minutes away. If you wanted to go to Bryant Park and play their public golf course, that's 18 minutes away. And the schools that you will be slotted for are Northern Elementary, Northern Middle, and Northern High School. So I hope you've learned all that you wanted to learn about the neighborhood of the farm at Cedar Hollow. If you have any questions, you want to see another spot, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.